おはこんばんちは、むんちゃんだよ。Let's learn Japanese with me. Today's letter is
なん。The definition of this kanji is south.
Let's write kanji.
1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 One more time. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9
How to read this kanji?
Kanji has two different ways of reading, onyomi and kunyomi. Onyomi is based on Chinese reading and kunyomi is Japanese original reading. Onyomi of this kanji is nan. Kunyomi is minami. Then let's look at some examples that uses this kanji. Onyomi example is 南極。南 means south, 極 means end. So 南極 means South Pole or Antarctica. For example, 私は南極でペンギンを見た。私は南極でペンギンを見た。I saw penguins in Antarctica. Kunyomi example is 南。南 means south. For example, 南向きの家は人気だ。南向きの家は人気だ。South-facing houses are popular. 新しい言葉。南アフリカ South Africa。南西 Southwest。南北 South and North。今日の授業はここまでです。またね。
You did great today. またね。Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe. See you soon.